In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to set up and run from a Replit Java workspace. We'll walk through creating a workspace, checking the tech stack, and managing files so you feel confident working in Replit for Java. First, open your browser and go to Replit's website. From the homepage, you can start a new project. When you're creating it, use the built-in chat agent or setup prompt to tell Replit which technology you want. It accepts plain English, so you can say you want a Java project. Although you might see examples for other languages, keep your request focused on Java so Replit provisions the right environment, starter files, and build commands for you. Once your project is created, you'll land inside the workspace. If you started from a different template or imported an existing project, you can still switch technologies by prompting the chat agent to change the tech stack to Java. Replit will adjust project settings and suggest any file changes needed. This is especially helpful if you realize you picked the wrong template at the beginning. To confirm that your workspace is actually set to Java, look to the right-hand side panel and open the Library or Packages area. This is where Replit shows language-specific packages and tools. If you see Java-related options or dependencies available there, that's a good sign your environment is configured correctly. Next, let's talk about files. Open the file tree from the left sidebar. This gives you a clear view of every file and folder in your project. If you need to add a new source file, click the three dots menu near the top of the file panel. From there, choose New File. You'll be prompted to name it. The examples you might see elsewhere could use extensions like CPP, but since we're working in a Java workspace, you should name your files with the Java extension. For example, if your class is called main, the file should be main.java. Keeping class names and file names aligned is important for Java to compile and run smoothly. As you add files, organize your code in folders as needed, and keep an eye on the Library or Packages panel if you plan to bring in any dependencies. If anything seems off, use the chat agent to clarify or fix configuration details. Simple prompts usually do the trick. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.